Now, right now, we are joined by one of the survivors from the mob attack at Langol during the heydays of the violence, which started from May 3, 2023. So here is the lady who have managed to survive and escape from the mob attack, and their house was also burned down. So how do you manage to escape? Can you tell me?
Actually, on May 3rd, I was posted in Churachandpur District Hospital. Because of the rally, I went home ahead.
Okay.
Then in the evening, I was informed by some relatives that some attacks had been started in Chekon areas.
Okay.
So please call all your children and husband home. That's how I called my husband and my son to come back from tuition immediately. Then when they reached home, we tried to eat food as soon as possible. It was around 5:30 like that.
Okay.
Then some of my relatives, we said, let us stay together in our house, because our house was Paka building.
Alright.
We thought they will not attack our house. So, but around 7 p.m., one of my neighbors who was supposed to come to our house called me up. Don't stay in your private house. You better go to some government quarters. Where there is some police or someone is there. So within 5 minutes we get ready, and we went to Zone 3. I'm staying in Zone 2. Then we went to Zone 3, one of our church members.
Right.
They also willingly or unwillingly they accepted us, and we took with us some two families. Since we have vehicle, they said we are scared, we'll come with you. So the whole night we stayed up there. We didn't sleep. And then at night time, here and there, they rang electric posts. We were so scared. And then nearby the quarter we stayed, there is one church. We thought that they burned the church, but in the morning we came to know that some vehicles were burned down.
But
And
by,
then
in the meantime, your house was ransacked also.
night time, that was on third night, our house was not ransacked.
Okay.
Everyone was running here and there,
see.
since people came to know that they were searching for cookies, and they beat up, they killed like that. So we just ran away from our house.
I see. That means your family managed to escape.
Yes, our family, we managed to stay in one quarter. But early morning, that house owner said, whatever it is, let's go back to our place. And then if we can stay together in the church or something like that. While we were discussing like that, we got phone call. As soon as possible, you come to CRPF camp.
Alright.
Bring your vehicles, otherwise you won't be safe. That was what we got. And my children also, through a whole night, they didn't sleep. So they slept off. I went here and there, I woke them up. Then I told them, pick your clothes. But within 5 minutes, my youngest son only to one long pen, that also torn one, and one half pen he could manage. And bring your certificates like that. But I couldn't bring all my things also. Only one or two we brought, and then we ran in the vehicle. So by God's grace, somehow our family, we could reach the camp safely. But those who come later than us, maybe 20 minutes or half an hour, their vehicles, more than 30 vehicles were burned down on the road from our game village to CRPF camp. That is around 1 kilometer like that.
Okay, that is the real ordeal.
Yes,
that
very
you have,
much.
that you have
much.
gone through. Okay?
Yes.
So sad to hear. However, now you are joining the Dharna here.
Yes.
So what is your demand? Can you tell me some of your demands, and why do you demand?
See, even if we were in CRPF camp, what we faced was in the CRPF camp, so thousands of people are there. We are just sitting up I was there for 3 nights.
Right.
We didn't eat properly, we couldn't sleep.
Yes.
And at night time, when they ring electric bell, this electric post, and then sometimes they'll say mob is coming like that. We are so scared, we thought that we are going to die there.
Yeah,
and then,
traumatized.
yes, very much. We thought that they will evacuate us to Churachandpur or Kangpokpi. But no evacuation program was there.
Okay.
So I was so worried. Somehow my friend from Mizoram told me, come to Mizoram. I haven't been to Mizoram, but since he told me come to Mizoram, when I asked my husband, he said no, we'll die together here. But somehow with my youngest, my middle son, we managed to convince him, because so many people are running to airport.
Right.
But that night on sixth night, people booked ticket and there. But for me, I didn't have money also because. Actually, I am a state government employee.
Yeah.
I was working under this Manipur health services for more than 20 years.
Okay.
So I took loan several times. I bought a land in Imphal, and I thought that I'm just like one of them. And I don't have enmity with any Meiteis also.
But then the point is now we are women folks are demanding separate administration. We are the tribals. We tribals are demanding separate administration for that matter. So today, what is your demand? What comes into your mind when you sit here among the people who stays the Dharna? What is your demand? What is your demand?
For 20 years, I feel so safe and secure.
Okay.
I thought I am just like one of the Manipuris. But on that night,
you know that you
yes,
are segregated.
I realized that for 20 years I served the government, I served the people,
Right.
and I love the community too.
Okay,
The whole community.
That's it.
I thought
Natural,
integrity
very
was the
natural.
best thing,
Yeah.
and I love peace.
Yes.
But from that time, I realized that my whole earning for 20 years. I built a house. I took around 90 lakhs loan,
Okay,
and
fine,
I
fine.
built a house. That was not even 3 years
But
back.
you are not considered part and parcel of the Meitei.
Yes, I feel like that. So if we are just driven out like that,
Yes.
and even right in the capital, what I thought was my relatives told me, why do you build house in
Great.
Imphal city?
Yes.
What I told them, what will happen in the capital? If anything happens, also police are there, and especially my area, all those who are in the quarter, they are police or government employees. So I thought government will save us.
Yes.
These things will not happen. But on third night, we ran
So
away.
let's come
And on fourth,
straight to the point. So you are feeling, because of all those factors, now you are feeling that
now I feel
you
that
are never considered part and parcel of the Meitei community or society or whatever. So what is your demand now? What is your demand now?
it's my demand to the central government.
Yes.
Because state government cannot save us. Because of that
Cannot give you security and protection.
Yes. My house was burned down, looted, and then with just one or two clothes, we ran away from our house without food, without proper sleep. I reached
So
Aizawl.
what is your demand to the central
So
government then?
I request the central government to arrange separate administration for the hill people like us.
Okay.
Because if I cannot go back to Imphal because I am scared.
Yes.
Since I have a house, I want to go back, but I am scared to go back there.
Everyone feels
Yes,
like that.
yes. Not that I don't like the people, but I don't feel like going back
That
there.
means you have to get separate administration.
Yes.
So your demand is to the center or
to the center,
state?
to the center, because state government
So
they didn't
in case
protect us.
your demand for separate administration is not exceeded, what will be your next step? You'll have to stay on here in the hill areas like in Chuchanpur. What do you feel?
I have to say, what can I do? I have to die with my own people.
Right,
What
right.
I don't have any other choice
Great.
besides this.
Okay. That's what you want to know. Don't worry, okay?
Yes.
Because I interfere in your talks. Because I want to concern this is for news. And the point which you make, the point which you made is all noteworthy. Very great points. So we like it. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes. Again we are here. Again we are joined by one of the women Dharnazis, and then she's also having some very much strong, great grievances, strong grievances, points of grievances against the Manipur government, and they are demanding for separate administration. And we'll ask and inquire as to why they want to have this separate administration.
हम लोग सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्यों चाहते हैं, क्योंकि हमारा जितना भी गांव है इम्फाल में हमारे भाई बहन लोग का घर को लूटा गया है, और किसी के साथ तो कहीं स्टूडेंट के साथ तो इन लोगों ने गलत काम करके, और हम लोग को हमारे बहन कई कॉलेज पढ़ रहे हैं, ये लोग के साथ इन्होंने गलत काम करके और उल्टा मीडिया लोग को कहा गया है कि वो झूठा इल्ज़ाम पूरा उल्टा हम लोग हमारा कुकी लोग का पीपर इनके ऊपर इल्ज़ाम लगाया है। इसलिए हम सरकार सेंट्रल सरकार से ये चाहते हैं कि प्लीज़ ट्राई करके हमें सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दीजिए, क्योंकि ना ही हम लोग इम्फाल जा सकता है अभी, और ना ही हम लोग रहने का जगह नहीं है अभी। जितना हमारे सब कुछ जला चुका है, और ना ही हम लोग वापस जा सकते हैं, और ना ही हम लोग बीरेन सरकार और बीरेन गवर्नमेंट से पे लोग को भरोसा नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि वो लोग सरकार का यूनिफॉर्म पहन के आके हमको अटैक करता है। हम लोग को हम लोग के साथ ऐसे अटैक करके फिर हम लोग के ऊपर झूठा उल्टा हम लोग के ऊपर जो भी वो लोग हम लोग के साथ करता है, वो सब कुछ हम लोग को झूठा इल्ज़ाम लगाता है। क्योंकि हम लोग इधर ट्राइबल में तो इतना सारा मीडिया में जो मीडिया भी ज़्यादा वो नहीं है, इसलिए वो लोग जितना भी कुछ भी इनके साथ हमारे साथ जो भी होता है, वो लोग उल्टा हम लोग ने उनके साथ किया है करके झूठा न्यूज़ भी बहुत ऐसा फैलाया है। इसलिए हम अभी इन लोग के साथ नहीं रह सकते एक साथ। हमारा ये विनती है कि सरकार से हम लोग को प्लीज़ हो सके तो हमें सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दीजिए, नहीं तो हम लोग अभी हम लोग उम्मीद नहीं कर सकते कि कल परसों हमारे साथ क्या किया जाएगा। हमें कोई भरोसा नहीं रहा अभी इनके गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर, बीरेन के ऊपर। और रंबई ये बीरेन सरकार ने कुकी पीपल को मिटाने के लिए रंबई तेंगोल लोग को भी इस्तेमाल किया है हम लोग को, और रेंबर तेंगोल लोग के साथ साथ कमेंडो लोग को भी, और इनका मणिपुर सरकार का पुलिस लोग को भी, जहाँ जो इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं वो सब कुछ यूज़ करके हम लोग को पर जितना हो कैसे हो सके वैसे हम लोग को हमला हो सकने के लिए जितना कोशिश कर सकते हैं उतना बीरेन ने किया है। तो हम सरकार को हम कहना चाह रहे हैं कि हम कैसे इनके अंदर कैसे शांति से रह सकेगा। इतना सब कुछ पावर सब कुछ इन लोगों ने यूज़ करके हमारा ऊपर ऐसे अत्याचार बोलेगा ना, इतना सब कुछ करके हम लोग कैसे इनको दोबारा भरोसा कैसे कर सकेगा। हाँ मालूम इन लोगों ने पीस भी बोला भी हो तो हम कैसे फिर इनको विश्वास कर सकेगा। क्यों हम लोग को मारने के लिए इतना आतंकवादी को भी या आरम भाई लोग को भी ट्रेनिंग दिए रखे हैं, 3 साल तक ट्रेनिंग दिए रखे गए हम लोग को मार डालने के लिए, एक जाति को मिटाने के लिए, एक जाति को मार डालने के लिए इतना गलत विचार, इतना बुरी विचार ऐसे सीएम का अंदर के नीचे हम कैसे रह सकेगा। हम बिल्कुल अभी विश्वास नहीं करते इनके ऊपर। हम अभी डर में रहते हैं कि कल परसों अभी 1 मिनट के अंदर हमारे साथ क्या होगा। इसलिए हम सेंटर से रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि हमारा लास्ट सोल्यूशन यही है कि हमें सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दीजिए। धन्यवाद।